Hello students, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from LP Public School. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class. As you know, light chapter is going on. In previous video I have discussed about reflection of light. But in this video I am going to discuss about the remaining chapter, the refraction of light, and today's topic spherical lenses. So what is spherical lenses? So if we wanted to discuss about what is the definition of lens. So lens is a portion of a refracting medium. Okay, so lens is a portion of a transparent refracting medium. Lens is a portion of a transparent refracting medium. Bounded by two surfaces, out of which at least one surface is curved. So this is the definition of lens. If there is a sphere of glass, as you know, glass is a transparent medium. So if a portion is cut like this, so this is a portion, and this is also known as lens. This is plano-convex lens. This side is plane and this side is curved, and this is curved inward. So this is also lens. If another portion is cut and fixed with that side, then this become a convex lens, and this is known as double or convex lens. Okay, if the radius is equal, then it is known as equiconvex lens. So I will discuss about this in our video deeply. Okay, so I hope you understand about what is the definition and what is lens. There is necessary condition is that only one surface is curved. It is not compulsory both side is curved. If one side is curved, then refraction will take place, and this is a lens. So I am going to discuss about the type of lenses. Lenses are basically two types: convex lens or concave lens. What is convex lens? Convex lens is a lens in which both sides are curved inward. A lens in which both sides curve. And it is thinner at corner and thicker at middle. This is thicker at middle and thinner at edges. It is thinner at edges. Okay, so this is curve inward and thicker at middle and thinner at edges. But the concave lens is curved outward. Concave lens in which two surfaces curve outward, and this is thinner at middle and thicker at edges. So you can differentiate easily convex and concave lens by touching. This convex lens converges the rays of light. So this is also known as converging lens. Converging lens. And this concave lens diverges the rays of light. So this is known as diverging lens. And the convex lens, if the convex lens covered by two curved surfaces, then this is known as double convex lens or biconvex lens. If both concave surface is formed by using the same sphere, then this is known as equiconvex lens. I hope you understood. It converges rays of light, so it's known as converging. If both sides curve, this is double convex or biconvex. If the radius of curvature, it means same sphere is used in formation of convex lens, then it is known as equiconvex lens. Like this. In case of concave, it diverges the rays of light, so this is known as diverging lens. If both sides curve, then this is known as double or biconvex lens. And if the radius of curvature is same, it means same sphere is used in formation of concave, then it is known as equiconvex lens. So I hope you understood about why it is diverging, why it is double, and when it is equiconcave. So now this is the property. We can differentiate between convex and concave by touching. But if we wanted to differentiate concave and convex by the property, so we can see if this is a convex lens, a parallel rays of light incident to the principal axis. This is the principal axis. As you know, the normal ray pass through lens without deviation. But if some ray parallel and close to principal axis, then after reflection it converges all rays. At a point, this is known as focus point. So it means this is converging lens. And in case of that is principal axis, but in case of concave, this is principal axis, if rays of light travel close and parallel to principal axis, then it diverges the rays of light like this. You can see these rays of light never meet towards left. But when these rays of light reduce backward, you can see they seems to meet at a point. This point is known as focus point, and I am going to discuss about its diverging property. So it converts rays of light, so it's diverge rays of light. So this is diverging lens. This is focus point. Focus point, and this is diverging lens. Okay, I hope you understood about the converging and diverging property of convex and concave lens. Let this is a sphere of glass and one portion is cut like this. So then you can see this is like this. This one side is plane and this side is curved. This is plane and this is curved. This is a lens, but this is known as plano-convex lens. If another portion is cut, and fixed with that side, you can draw another diagram like this. Then the both side curve, and this is also curve. So this is known as double convex lens. Double convex lens. And this is also known as biconvex lens. Okay, and if same sphere is used in formation of convex lens, then This is known as equiconvex lens. Okay, so I hope you understood about plano concave, double convex, and equiconcave. In this case, the R1 equal to R2, because you can see in case of convex lens there is two radius of curvature. One portion is cut, this is radius R. So one portion is cut from that side and one is cut from that side. That this is x dash, y dash, and a fixed. They have obtained convex. And this is your convex. So you can see it forms two spheres. One, this is R1, and this is R. Okay, so that's why it consists double curve surfaces. So that's why it is double convex. And if R1 equal to R2, then this is equiconvex. Same for concave. If these are fixed in opposite direction, it means if this is if a sphere is cut like this side is plane and this is curved outward. Okay, and this is plane. So this is a lens, and this is known as plano concave lens. But it is curved from both sides like this. Then this is double concave lens or biconcave lens. Curved side and this is curved side. Okay, and similarly, this also consists two sphere like this. So if the radius of curvature is R1 and this is R2, if R1 equal to R2, then this is known as equiconcave lens. So I hope you understood about double convex lens, equiconcave lens, and plano concave lens. So this is the different type of lenses. So in my next video, I will discuss about the rules of refraction and the important parts belong to lens. Thank you very much.